The dense forest of pine wood had always been a place of mystery and intrigue for the locals. Tales of strange lights and eerie sounds had been passed down through generations, fueling the imaginations of both children and adults alike. However, no one could have ever imagined what was about to transpire on that fateful night in the summer of 1987. It was a warm, cloudless night. The only sounds the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant hooting of an owl. Suddenly, a brilliant flash of light illuminated the sky, followed by a deafening roar that shook the very ground beneath the feet of the terrified townsfolk. Those who dared to look skyward witnessed a sight that would forever be etched into their memories: a massive, saucer-shaped object descending from the heavens, its metallic surface gleaming under the moonlight. The UFO, as it came to be known, hovered silently over Pinewood Forest for several minutes, casting an otherworldly glow upon the surrounding trees. Then, with a gentle hum, it landed amidst the dense foliage, disappearing from sight as quickly as it had appeared. News of the UFO's landing spread like wildfire, and within hours Pinewood Forest was swarming with curious onlookers, eager to catch a glimpse of the extraterrestrial craft. In the days and weeks that followed, the UFO sighting became the talk of the town. People debated the origin of the craft and its intentions, with some believing it was a sign of impending doom, while others saw it as evidence of a more advanced civilization. The local media frenzy only fueled the speculation, with countless theories and outlandish claims making headlines. Amidst the chaos, a young boy named Billy Hansen decided to take matters into his own hands. Night after night, Billy ventured into the depths of Pinewood Forest, following a hunch that led him deeper and deeper into the wilderness. He braved the darkness, the lurking creatures, and the growing sense of dread that gnawed at him, but he was determined to find the truth. One night, as Billy was making his way through a particularly dense thicket, he stumbled upon a sight that sent a chill down his spine. He noticed a small metallic object lying on the ground. It was a disc-shaped device with strange symbols etched into its surface. Billy had no idea what it was, but he knew that it was important. He slipped the device into his pocket and made his way back home. As he walked, he replayed the events of the night in his mind. He couldn't believe that he had actually met aliens. He felt a sense of excitement and wonder, but also a deep sense of responsibility. He knew that he had to tell the world about what he had seen. The next day, Billy went to the local newspaper office and told them everything about his encounter with the aliens. At first, the reporters didn't believe him, but when he showed them the device he had found, they knew that he was telling the truth. The story of Billy's encounter with the aliens made headlines around the world. People were amazed and intrigued, and many believed that it was a sign of a new era of peace and cooperation between humans and aliens. Billy became an instant celebrity, and he was invited to appear on talk shows and give interviews. He used his newfound fame to spread a message of peace and understanding, and he encouraged people to look up at the stars and wonder about the possibilities that lay beyond our own planet. The aliens never returned to Earth, but Billy never forgot their visit. He continued to advocate for peace and understanding between humans and aliens, and he inspired countless people to look up at the stars and dream of a future where we were not alone in the universe. Billy's story is a reminder that even the most ordinary people can have extraordinary experiences. It is a story of hope and wonder, and it teaches us that we should never stop believing in the impossible. The end.